Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you back. So today I'll be doing a very quick installation. I'll be installing a highlight bob wig, and this is a T-part bob wig from Bay Hair. Guys, I am in love with this unit. I love the color combination. I love the highlight color, and guys, the texture of this hair is beautiful. The hair is soft and the human hair is very original, guys. So let's see what the inside of the wig looks like. This is what the inside of the wig looks like, and this is what the T-part closure looks like, guys. And the wig has three wig combs at the front, and it has one wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable straps for proper fitting. And guys, I'm just going to go straight to the installation, and of course I am going to install this wig without glue, and I am so excited about that. I love glueless wig a lot, guys. Which is what I actually love most about this wig, the part where you can just wear it without glue and you're good to go, guys. This wig is a win for me. I love it. So guys, I'll just go ahead and drop the link of this unit in my description box. You can go check it out, guys. So let's go ahead with the installation.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. I need it. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. I need it. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my is my